Welcome to Wonkeyjase Top Drives Assist.
Go!
And it's day 170, testing pack lock drop bits within top drives. So what we do is look at aluminum packs, ceramic packs, and carbon fiber packs, and we have a look and see whether the stats that they give you are correct. So all the packs that we open are in the backgrounds, and then we tally up how many how many ultra rares, super rares, epics, legendaries, all that kind of stuff that we unpack from the packs, and we check the figures. So let's get to it. Let's go. And a surprise car is the Buick Wildcat. Nice. So let's have the aluminum packs. We've got 27 of those. Out of those 27 packs, we've got 23 rares. That's 85%. That's 5% above what we should get. So that's bad. That's 5% more of the crappiest ones. And we've got 4 super rares. That's 15%. That's 4% below what we should get. And the ultra rares got 0. So that's minus 1.5%. So really bad for these ceramic packs. And on to the ceramic packs, and we got 32 packs that we purchased there, and 26 super rares out of those 32 packs. That's 81%. That's 2% below what we should get. So that's good. That's lower of the crappiest ones. Nice. We got 4 ultra rares. That's 13%. That's 1% below what we should get. But hold on, there's better things to come. And we got 1 epic. That's 3%. That's 0.5% above what we should get. So that's nice. That's made up for the ultra rares already. And then we've got 1 legendary, which is absolutely fantastic. Very nice. We've got epic there, and another epic. Sweet. So yeah, we get 1 legendary, and that's 3%. So that's 2.5. 2.5. Oh, you can make it up. It's 2.35% above what we should get. So that's really good. I'm happy with that. Woohoo! Let's go. And onto the carbon fiber packs. We've got 9 of those packs. And out of those 9 packs, we've got 6 ultra rares at 67%. That's 13% below what we should get. So that's really good because there's the crappiest ones we get out of the pack. That's weird. We've got 5 epics. That's 56%. That's 38% above what we should get. So that's beautiful. That is. And we've got 0 legendaries. So that's minus 2.5%. But considering how many epics we've got, I'm happy. Woohoo! And let's see what our lucky number is this week. It's number 69. Nice. So let's take a look at this week's quiz results. So if you entered last week, the answer is military intervention. So there's no prizes, just a glory and know that you got it right. So military intervention. A quick look at the club results. We've got first position once, second position once, and third position once. And then look at the campaign results. Got a rare ×4, super rare ×3, ultra rare ×0. So it was okay. It was a mixed bag. Subscribe. Oh, hello. I mean, it is a duplicate, but it's a nice duplicate. It's got a mid height ride and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's worth keeping if you got less than one of them. If you got more than one of them, then it's not worth keeping so much. But you could use the free epics. I mean, epics can be changed over to do like an upgrade on one. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. We're also on TikTok and on the next video. If you fart in the bath, does that mean you have to take another bath? We find out on the next video, only on Wonkeyjase. Bye bye.